dears, welcome to Raji's Cuisine. My name is Pranay. Today I will be your host. Today's healthy drink is hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea helps in fighting the diseases, infections, protects against oxidative stress and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Now we'll make hibiscus tea. First, take fresh hibiscus flowers. Wash the flowers well in running water and remove the green part of the flower as shown in the video. Take all the hibiscus flowers into a bowl. Pour boiled hot water over the flowers. I'm adding 3 cups of hot water for 8 flowers. And close the lid and let them steep for 5 to 6 minutes to get the color. Remove the flowers from the water. The water will become purple in color. To get the taste or sweeten the tea, add the honey according to taste. To balance the taste of the tea, squeeze the lemon. After adding the lemon juice, the color of the tea will turn into red color. That's it. The herbal tea is ready. Healthy, refreshing hibiscus tea is ready. You can have this herbal tea cold, also adding ice cubes to it. Thank you for watching this recipe. Please subscribe for more healthy recipes. We'll meet again. Thank you for watching.